first.
I basically made a fake product demo and it got 80K views.
They made a video using fake footage, posted it on TikTok, it blew up, and only then did they actually build it. The biggest mistake most founders make is they build first and then they try to market later. But these two guys flip that completely on its head. Content first, product later.
This one video got 500 comments begging me to build this app.
I asked them both to come onto the channel and break down this genius strategy with real examples so you could put something similar into practice today. And in this video, we'll dive into the exact viral video that validated their idea before writing a single line of code, the step-by-step content first playbook they use to hit $30,000 a month, and why validating through content first might just be the smartest.
This is true for every kind of business. For example, we built Rant Squad app to write viral stories. We used 5 AI agents, mixed up different AI models to get optimum results. But here's the catch. We did not build it first. We basically sold it first. But when we sold it as a custom GPT. We showed it in a webinar, put it in a bundle, and sold it at a high price. And when we saw people are buying it, they are loving it, we built a standalone agentic app to help members of our program. If you use the same principle of launching first, maybe don't sell it, just build a mock-up, or they call it MVP, minimum viable product. Show it to your target audience and ask them, will it solve their problems? If they say yes, then ask them, are they ready to spend money on it? Are they ready to invest in it? Are they ready to buy it? If they say yes, go build it. Build the first minimum viable product, give it to them, and then start from there. This way, you make money first.
Yeah. And then I met Mario on YC Co-Founder Match, and it was the perfect match, basically.
Okay, so I heard both of you guys talking about this idea of cracking distribution, and this is the reason why I wanted to bring you guys on the channel, is that you essentially cracked distribution before you even wrote a single line of code. Can you tell me what happened and how this whole thing worked?
For consumer apps, it's extremely important to validate your idea first with virality, right? So basically, you want to get one viral TikTok video. And so I thought of the most visual and novel idea for an app that has virality potential, and Push Scroll is what I came up with.
And for me, it was clear as day. I had spent months creating videos and struggling with marketing, only to try to sell the app later. And here it was the opposite. I first did the video, it went viral, and then...
That's a good job. The next step, user demand first.
And we built the app.
There were people literally begging us in the comments to build this app, and so we had to build it as soon as possible. We built the app in around 2 weeks, but it was a very simple MVP. It only had 3 screens, but this was enough to sort of validate the idea further. We launched the app with another TikTok video, and in that video we said that the app would be for free for all the users to download within the first week. We got around 20K to 30K downloads from that. And then we basically scaled the organic formats to 30K in revenue.
That's a very, very smart move. Remember, if it is AI app and you're using paid API, you want to control how much free it's going to be. Remember, most applications fail because they can't project the cost of AI. And definitely never even offer ongoing AI use for one-time price. You won't be able to afford it. Some of your customers will abuse it and you will go bankrupt sooner than you think. The next step, novel hooks win.
First of all, if you ever do a video like this, you have to make a good video. Otherwise, you don't know if your app idea sucks or your video sucks. And the most important thing in a video is the hook. So the hook here was, what if you could stop your doom scrolling addiction by doing 20 push-ups? And with a hook, you want to make it as clear as possible, such that even a 5-year-old can understand it. You should make sure that there is a curiosity gap. For my example, it was the push-ups, right? Like, what do the push-ups have to do with stopping your doom scrolling addiction? And it has to be novel and original.
He's absolutely right. All our viral videos have crazy hooks. In the Rant Squad app, we have an AI agent just to write hooks, but it starts after the first 2 agents finish their tasks. So the first 2 agents feed the right information to the hook writer, and then only the hook writing agent starts working. It's that important.
And then once you have a good hook, how do you actually showcase the app if you haven't already built it? What you have to understand is that people don't really care how you solve the problem. It's just that you solve the problem. And so if you can visualize the value your app will provide, then that is good enough. So for my example, I literally used an AI push-ups detection video I found on YouTube, and then I showed how you place the phone against the wall, and finally the scrolling part. With these 3 visuals, people can really visualize the app idea in their head, and then they can see the value it could provide. And at the end, you should add a strong call to action asking whether you should build this.
Wow, this was was really valuable advice. For example, I can show you my app all day long, but if you can't imagine how this text is getting you results, then you won't feel the value of the app. Am I right? So I will try to explain to you. AI avatar applications can create your avatar video, but you still have to give them the right script for the right video. When you use ChatGPT with a one-line prompt, hey, write a story script for me, it will give you generic result. That's why we created AI agents. They work together as a team, critique and validate each other's work, and we get perfect script. And basically, the script was written from this video. Here we go. This is Alejandro and Mario. Their app makes $30,000 a month, and it started as a joke. These guys didn't build the app first. They made a fake product demo, posted it on TikTok. 80K views later, they thought, maybe we should actually build this. Most founders pour their souls into building first, then marketing to crickets. Alejandro and Mario flipped that script. They marketed a non-existent app. The internet begged them to make it real. So what's this magical app? Push Skull. Before you can doom scroll, you gotta do push-ups. It's like your gym and phone had a profitable baby. Their push-up detector is so broken it counts sneezes, but they've got 4,000 paying customers. They launched with a TikTok saying the app's free. 30K downloads later, they're rolling in dough. Now they're scaling with ads, throwing gas on that fire. Ready to turn your craziest idea into cash? Your next app might start as a wild TikTok. Did you like it? Yes, I have AI and you have AI to make this avatar video, realistic avatar video, but without the right script, written the right way, without the right hook, it's not going to get attention, it's not going to get viral, and they won't make money. Was I able to explain it? I don't know. Let me know in the comments.
I really like this launch video you guys did. When you showed this to me, I was like, wow. I think that anybody watching this interview right now should go, I'll put a link in the description to your guys' launch video. What I think is so good about your launch video is it's not like someone showing off a demo of an app on their screen. It's actually showing off the benefits that you would get if this app existed. It's not about that, here's how this feature works or that feature works. It's showing someone doing push-ups, getting fit, and not doom scrolling.
That was a good advice too. You have to show your audience how their life will be better with your product. Probably for me, instead of showing my software, I can show results of thousands of affiliates who made over $3 million in affiliate commissions promoting my product. Now you're looking at two different Warrior Plus accounts, their affiliates, their traffic, their commissions, and the total revenue. But there is something unique. Not everyone can share this with you because not everyone has this kind of data. I will show you one result of one affiliate. The first one is right here. Look at this. This is the affiliate's name, ClicksBots. And he made $562 in affiliate commissions. Not bad. Now, what if I told you this same affiliate earned $2,631 from another account? $2,600, not bad at all. Now, what if I told you he made $500 selling 61 units, but he made $2,600 selling only 11 units in this account? Which one would you choose for yourself? Will you choose $560 for 60 sales, or will you choose $2,600 for 11 sales? Definitely $2,600 from only 11 sales, right? So what is the difference between the results of these two accounts from the same affiliate? On this account, the left-hand side, he promoted low price or a low ticket offer. The average value per sale is only $14.70. And on the right-hand side, he sold a high price product where the minimum price is $500. And that's why even from low number of sales, he made 5 times more money. So yes, selling low price products is not bad, but selling high price product is amazing and rewarding. And now you must be saying, Marsh, I don't have traffic. That's right. Traffic is the most valuable asset. Traffic is the weapon that gets you customers and that makes you money. And traffic, my friend, comes from contents like this. And Rant Squad app helps you make those content. So can we say that Rant Squad is actually helping you make money? Wow, that's strong now, right?